Details this afternoon about a gruesome murder in Prince George's County. A woman allegedly killed and dismembered by her daughter and granddaughter. It's a case that is stopping everyone in their tracks, and as Lex Juarez explains, it's posing a challenge for investigators too.
Well, the details get more and more disturbing. Police believe that the murder happened on May 23rd, that following weekend, Memorial Day weekend. Neighbors tell me that they saw Craig and Hardy prepping this grill with charcoal and lighter fluid. Those neighbors were headed out of town for the holiday weekend and assumed the family was having a cookout. According to court documents obtained by WTOP, it was 71-year-old Margaret Craig's dismembered body that was put on the grill that day. Her 44-year-old daughter Candace Craig and 19-year-old granddaughter Celia Hardy were trying to hide her murder. Investigators believe Candace Craig killed Margaret Craig by herself and that Hardy later joined her in dismembering Craig at her home in Landover and storing the decomposing remains in the basement. Police visited the home last Friday for a welfare check on Craig nearly 2 weeks after the alleged murder. When her daughter Candace let them in, they quickly smelled and found the remains in the basement. This horrific attempt at hiding the remains poses a challenge for the medical examiner, who has yet to confirm the cause of death or that the remains are Margaret Craig.
But in this case, which is unlike any case I have ever seen or experienced here in the county, I mean, to say it's disturbing is an understatement. It's horrifying.
Well, Candace Craig is charged with first-degree murder. Her daughter, Celia Hardy, is facing an accessory charge for assisting in the dismemberment. Well, both Craig and Hardy are being held without bond. The next court date set for the preliminary hearing is July 3rd. In Landover, Lex Juarez.